Magandang umaga mga bata. Okay, Jenny, maaari bang ikay manguna sa ating panalangin? Maraming salamat. Pero bago kayo umupo, tingnan niyo muna ang ilalim ng inyong upuan kung may nakikita kayong kalat at pulutin ito. Okay, umupo na ang lahat. Sino ang mga lumiban ngayong umaga? Meron ba tayong assignment ngayon, class? Ngayon, handa na ang lahat para matuto? Magaling! Pero bagong lahat mga bata, meron akong reminders na dapat yung gawin. Ang dapat nyo lamang gawin ay basahin ito. Okay, pakibasa mga bata ng sabay-sabay. Ngayon, naiintindihan nyo ba mga bata kung ano ang dapat yung gawin? Magaling! Ngayon, dadako tayo sa ating aktibidad. Handa na ba ang lahat? Okay, sinong gustong sumagot para sa unang katanungan? Jenny, maaari ba? Anong iyong sagot? Sakto. Para naman sa pangalawa, sinong gustong sumagot? Okay, Laika, maaari ba? Anong iyong sagot, Laika? Magaling! Okay, ngayon mga bata, dadako na tayo para sa ating panibagong diskusyon. Ang dapat nyo lamang gawin, meron akong inihandang story time at basahin ito ng mabuti. Okay, 1, 2, 3, maaari nang basahin. Naiintindihan ba ng mga bata kung ano ang nakapaloob sa ating istorya? Magaling! Ngayon, sino-sino ang mga nakapaloob sa ating istorya? Okay, class. Do you think our activity was related in our new lesson today? Very good! Before we proceed to our new lesson, I have here a simple activity. What you're going to do is to participate and cooperate to answer this activity. Now, who would like to volunteer to answer for item number 1? Okay, Edmond, would you like? Okay, 8 divided by 7 equals? What is your answer, Edmond? Very good. And for the number 2, who would like? Okay, Jessa. 4 divided by 3 equals? What is your answer? Okay, very good. And then for number 3, who would like to answer? 20 divided by 3 equals? Okay, Edmund again. What is your answer? Very good. Now, for number 4, who would like to answer? 16 divided by 15 equals? Okay, Ivan, what is your answer? Nice job! I know you are understand for our activity. Okay, class, do you think what is our lesson for today? Laika? Very good. Our lesson for today is dividing whole numbers with a quotient in decimal form. Now we will proceed to our new lesson. But before that, kindly please read our learning objectives. Okay, thank you. Now, but before that, I have prepared a simple situation or problem situation. What you're going to do is to read this problem situation. Okay. Okay, class, can you please read our problem situation? These are the questions that you will follow to answer. What is asked? What are the given? What is the number of sentence? And now we will proceed to our example number 2 of problem situation. Okay, I will read this and please listen. Since the enhanced community quarantine or ECQ started, food establishments were mandated to close following the health safety protocols. After almost 3 months, the ECQ was lifted and new order was released under General Community Quarantine or GCQ, in which food establishments are already allowed to operate as long as their services are strictly for takeout only. Karen and her 3 siblings, together with their parents, have been craving for pizza during the lockdown. So she ordered 9 whole pizzas in different flavors and toppings for the 6 of them. If each member of the family ate an equal amount of the 9 whole pizzas, how much pizzas did each of them eat? Okay, these are the questions. What is asked? What are given? What is the number sentence? You will start to answer our question. The time start now. Are you done, class? Okay, anyone who would like to answer on the board? Okay, Jenny. Thank you so much, Jenny. And then for example number 2, who would like to answer? Edmond. Nice job, Edmond. Now, we will going to proceed to our new lesson. So now, class, I know you're set to our new lesson. Okay, class. Our lesson for today was all about dividing whole numbers with a quotient and decimal forms. Before we proceed to our new lesson, I have a question for you. This question is very easy. Do you think and do you familiar about the division or the dividings? So if you know, raise your hand and then tell me. What are those types or kinds and coverage of dividings or division? So Edmond, would you like to answer? Okay, quotient. So what do you think or what is quotient? So this is the meaning of quotient. Quotient is the answer obtained when we divide one number by another. For example, if we divide the numbers by 6 by 3, we get the result as 2, which is the quotient. So do you think this is correct? Quotient, this is the product or this is the answer when we divide a numbers. That's correct. So, what are those? Who would like to answer? Jessa? Okay. Whole numbers. Yes, whole numbers. Whole numbers include all the natural numbers and 0. They are real numbers that not include fractions, decimals, and negative integers. Okay, alright. You are correct, Jessa. And this was belong in division or dividings. So another one who would like to answer? Oh, Marianne? Yes? Okay, divisor. Divisor, this is the quantity that determines the number of equal parts or groups. Okay, thank you, Marianne. And so another one who would like to answer? Jenny? Yes? Decimal form? Okay, correct. Decimal form, it is the standard form of presenting integers and non-integer. And then, for example, 0.34, 0.75, 0.1, and so forth, so on. Okay, thank you. So now class, before we proceed to our new discussion, I have prepared a simple activity. This activity was called recitation. So if you know the answer, raise your hand and answer it. Okay, clear class? Really, do you really understand? So now we will start to our activity. So the first question is, Mayna made 12 tuna sandwiches for her 16 friends who work as liners in their barangay. If her friends ate the same amount of the sandwiches she made, what part of the sandwich did each of her friends eat? Okay, anyone who would like to answer? Marianne? Yes, what is your answer? Okay, 0.75. That's correct. So we will proceed to our new numbers. And this is the number 2. Okay. Laila going to school and she want to tricycle because she was tired. The payment that she gave in the driver is 20 pesos. And her money was 15 pesos only. How do Laila give an exactly payment to the driver? So who would like to answer for the number 2? Okay, Jenny, can you solve it on the board? Okay, so what is your answer, Jenny? Okay, the answer is 1.33. That's correct. And now we will proceed to our number 3. Marian Queen buy the 8 lollipop in the store. When she noticed that going to pay her buy lollipop, she have only 5 pesos. Only 5 pesos money that she brought. How do you Marian Queen pay this lollipop if she have a 5 pesos only? So who would like to solve this problem? Okay, Laika, who do you want? Okay, what is your answer, Laika? Okay, your answer is 1.6. That's correct, Laika. Class, now we will proceed for number 4 question. The teacher brought 24 pieces of cupcakes to school and it has to be equally divided among her 40 students. How much cupcakes did each student get? Okay, who would like to answer for number 4 questions? Okay, Mr. Miranda. What is your answer? Okay, your answer is 0.6. That's correct, Mr. Miranda. Great job. So now we will proceed for the last question. Okay, now we will proceed for our last question. The last question is, Mother bought 5 meters of lace. She wants to cut it into 20 pieces. How long is each piece? Okay, Marianne, what is your answer? So your answer is 0.25. That's correct, Marianne. Okay, class, do you think you are enjoying to our activity for today? Okay, that's good. So if you really enjoy our activity for today, we will proceed to our new discussion. But before that, I have prepared a simple activity again. This activity was called word problem. So what you're going to do, find the answer that was in illustrated. So for for the first line, who would like to answer? Okay, Mr. Miranda. Okay, can you please read? So what is your answer for the first line? Blank divided by 15 equals. Okay, very good. The answer is 1.3. Very good, Mr. Miranda. And then for the second line, who would like to answer? Okay, Mr. Villanueva. Okay, what is your answer, Mr. Villanueva? 18 divided by blank equals... Oh, that's correct. So I can see the answer is 3.6. So we will proceed to our number 3. Okay, Jenny, can you please read the number 3? Okay, what is your answer for number 3? Blank divided by 4 equals... Okay, correct. The answer is 2.2. Okay, Marian, for the last number, do you want to answer? Okay, 13 divided by 3 equals... What is your answer, Marian? Okay, correct. I can see the answer. The answer is 4.3. That's great, class. Do you really understand our lesson for today? So now, we will proceed to our last lesson. Our last lesson is all about... Okay, class, now we will proceed to our new activity. So our activity for today is oral recitation. So if you really think this is correct, the questions, you will find the answers and raise your hand if you get a correct answer. So for the first questions, okay, this is the first question. What is the quotient of 24 is divided by 48? Okay, anyone who would like to answer for the number 1? Okay, Rika, what is your answer? Okay, very good. So for number 2, Alfred had 35 meters of wire for hanging pictures. She wants to divide it into 50 pieces for her frames. How long did she use for each frame? Okay, for number 2, who would like to answer? Okay, Jessica? Yes? What is your answer, Jessica? Okay, that's correct. So we will proceed to our number 3. For number 3, mother left 5 pesos for his 7 children. How much did each children receive? Okay, anyone who would like to answer? Okay, Jerilyn? Yes, that's correct. So for number 4, Mr. De La Cruz is hardworking man who owns 6 hectares of land. In his will, he divided his lot equally among his 7 sons. How much land each of his sons received? Okay, who would like to answer for the number 4? Kyle? Yes? What is your answer? Okay, very good, Kyle. So now for number 5. Jeffrey and Geoffrey went to the market to buy 15 kilos of pork. When they came home, they divided the meat into 16 parts and put it in plastic bags for future use. How many kilos of pork does each bag contain? Okay, for number 5, who would like to answer? Okay, Marian again. Marian, what is your answer for number 5? Okay, that's correct, Marian. Very good. So now, I know you are class set for our activity. And you are really understand to our activity for today. So now, we will going to have an activity again. This activity was called Recite Me or Answer Me. So these are the questions. How do we divide whole numbers with a quotient in decimal form? So how? How? So, anyone who would like to answer? Okay, Edmond, yes? Okay, very good, Edmond. So, for number 2, did we directly divide a whole numbers with a quotient in decimal form without using to add 0? Okay, who would like to answer for the number 2? Yes? Okay, no. If we divide a decimal form, we need, if you divide a whole numbers, we need to add a 0. Okay, so for number 3, does the decimal form exactly equal on its answer when we divide a dividend to the divisor? Okay, who would like? Yes? Marianne, again? Okay, correct, Marianne. Thus, we divide exactly equal on its answer when we divide a dividend to the divisor. Yes, when we divide a decimal form, this is equally have an answer in a divisor. So now we will proceed for the number 4. What strategy or way that we can use to identify the correct answer by dividing whole numbers with quotient in form of decimal? So anyone who would like to answer? Okay, Janali. Yes, correct, Janali. So now we will proceed to our last questions. What can we first to do when we dividing a whole numbers with quotient and decimal form? Okay, anyone? Okay, Risa Jane. What is your answer, Risa Jane? Okay, correct. So, can you please give 5 claps to yourself? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, thank you so much, class. So now, we will proceed to our new lesson. Our lesson today was all about assessment. So the assessment is what you're going to do. Okay, so now class, we will proceed to our new lesson for today. Our lesson for today is you're going to get a sheet of paper and then answer the assessment provided. This assessment was coverage number in 10 questions only. Okay, I'll give you 15 minutes to answer this assessment. Okay, understand class? Okay, very good. So, you can start to answer the assessment today, class. Okay, class? Are you done to answer the assessment? So if you are done to answer the assessment, can kindly class pass this on the front. Okay. Can your paper? So. Okay, thank you so much, class. So now we will proceed to our last topic. So our last topic for today was all about what you're going to do. This is the additional activities or assignments. So what you're going to do, answer this assignment in your home and then pass it for tomorrow. So understand class? So the direction for our assignment is match the number sentence in column A with a quotient in column B. Use an extra piece of paper for your solution. So if you really understand class, so anyone who have a clarification, justification, so please Raise your hand if you have a clarification and justification to be followed. Okay, none? So class, that's all our topic for today. So goodbye class. Okay.